Hey everyone, it's Lens Addict here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean the interior of a white Tesla, so a white Model 3 that I have, but this should also work for the Model Y, Model X, Model S. I assume they're using the same seat fabric. So yeah, I'm going to try a few things. I've read online that you can use magic erasers. I've read online that you can use spray and wipe, water, all sorts of different things. I've got a few stains on these seats. So let's try and remove them. Let's see how we go cleaning them. Yeah, so let's get started. Let's do it. So these seats have some small stains. There is one right here, which you may be able to see. First off, we'll start with a cloth, just a wet cloth. It's just a kind of hand towel, and it's covered in water. There's no cleaning products added, nothing like that. So we'll see how that goes and see if that can remove the stain. So I've read online that some people say that you can just use water, so we'll give it a go. So it looks like a cloth with just water didn't work. So let's try some multi-purpose cleaner, see how that goes. So I got myself some multi-purpose cleaner. This one has eucalyptus as its active ingredient. Eucalyptus oil, so hopefully that works. It seems like it would help. I read online that Choice rated this as one of the highest, if not the highest, multi-purpose cleaner, so it should be effective. So let's give it a go, see how that goes. So unfortunately, I don't think that worked either. It looks like this stain is quite stuck into this seat, although it does seem to be cleaning the seat a little bit, but not the stain. It does look slightly reduced. Well, I don't know if it's just placebo, but thankfully it actually did get cleaner. This is what it looked like before I started cleaning. So yeah, definitely removed the stain a little bit, which is great. So let's try magic erasers. I've read that these work for really stubborn, hard to remove stains from the Tesla seats. If it doesn't work, well, I don't know. This video will be a fail. I guess I'll just work on cleaning the rest of the seats and show you how that goes. But cross fingers that this works, because this is an abrasive, I've read. So it should actually sand off the mess. So let's give it a go. Got some magic eraser. Let's see how we go. Oh, I think this might actually work. So here's one final before and after. So this is the seat before any cleaning, and there's the stain. And here's what it looks like after that cleaning. So it didn't get rid of it, but the magic eraser was what successfully reduced it a lot. And here's a look at the seats in my car after using the eucalyptus cleaner from Besitos and just wiping it all on my seats, and yeah, just using a cloth, nothing too crazy, only using the magic eraser on the stain, and yeah, it seemed to get rid of the stain, which is great. So to sum up, you can just use water and a cloth, although it doesn't get everything. And if water and a cloth doesn't work, then give water and some multi-purpose cleaner. Make sure it's not anything too crazy and it's just natural ingredients. And with the multi-purpose cleaner, test it in a small area first. Make sure it doesn't do anything crazy to the seats. Keep in mind that they're not actually leather if it's a Model 3. They're just vinyl. They call it vegan leather, but it's not. It's just vinyl. So don't worry. It's not like you have to use leather cleaner. If anything, if you use leather cleaner, it's not designed for this. So yeah, use something that you can use on vinyl cleaner, and yeah, or a multi-purpose cleaner. That worked for me. And then for the stains, like really hard to get off stains, that I would recommend that you use a magic eraser, and just in that area, because people online say it removes the protective coating. It's the worst thing you can do to your seats. It didn't make my seats self-destruct. It didn't make them go glossy. They look the same, and the dirt in that area, that's the only thing that got those really, really dirty areas clean. So look, I wouldn't recommend magic eraser for the whole seat, but I would recommend it just for really tiny areas where there's stains, and that seems to work really well. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave me some comments below, and if you want to give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't want to give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down. Oh, look at that, we got reactions on Mac OS. It's kind of cool, not seen that before. Wonder if there's any other reactions. Anyway, let's not get too distracted here. We gotta finish this video. Yeah, so subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and click the notification bell if you're keen, if you want to get spammed with random Tesla and drone videos. See you all in the next video. Lens Addict out.